Hey, come walk with me. I think we have another house getting pulled into. Oh, we sure do. Look at that pretty little house. It's a little ugly duckling, but the guys are pulling it in right now. And it's kind of nice because we're working on this house. But this one's coming in today. It's another 14 wide, but I tell you, it looks really wide. Let's come over here. Checking water lines. Looks good. I'm good. How about you?
I can't complain none. Having a great day.
I know, especially like when the weather's like this, huh?
Oh yeah, right in the middle.
It's so nice and pretty. I feel like a lizard today. I just want to bask in the sun.
Yes, ma'am.
What now? That's who we use to move our houses. Hey, say hi, my friend. I'm taking your beautiful picture. Yes, you know it. Yep. Alright, once they get this pulled in and exactly where it's supposed to be, we'll take some more video.